life out of time, I never saw it land. So I got fed up with my captain and crew. I stand and raise my hands. Well, I said I would just like to ask one of you one question. How many longs before we reach Mount Zion? How many strongs before we behold the lion? The captain said, son, you'll have to behave, the time is near at hand. So all my brethren and friends, give I a standing ovation. And there was nothing I could do but ask one question. How many longs before we reach Mount Zion? How many strong before we behold the lion? I was sailing upon the lifeboat of time, I never saw it land. So I got fed up with my captain and crew. I stand and raise my hands. Well, I said I would just like to ask one of you one question. How many longs before we reach Mount Zion? How many strongs before we behold the lion?